Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this little bad boy. Hello. This is a super easy DIY. All you need is fabric, hot glue, twine, and a wooden rod. So let's get right into this video. Video. Don't find my hand. There was just a blank space above my bed and I thought I needed a little pop of color, so I brought the same colors from my theme of blues and grays and whites and a little pop of pink. I just thought it was a good incorporation between the bed and the wall. And the dream catchers. And if you didn't notice, I had some of the same fabric that I used in my dream catcher video, which I will link above. Also, leave comments down below on anything you'd like to see next. I'm thinking about doing an apartment tour, but your girl gotta clean up a little bit, so that might be a little while. If you like this video, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe while you're down there. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!